I am by name nutritionist and dietitian Buhari Musa Yusuf. Pawpaw is also known as papaya or Carica papaya. It is one of the fruit that is normally grown, and it has a lot of nutritional values and significance to the well-being of the people. Um, First of all, pawpaw carries, it is loaded with some vitamins that are essential for promoting health, such as vitamin A. It is rich in vitamin A because of the carotene in it, and also it contains vitamin C, some level of vitamin C. It has vitamin A. These vitamins that is encapsulated or is enriched in the pawpaw are important in maintaining, strengthening the eye. That is the vitamin A for the carotene. And the aspect of the vitamin C, it helps in breaking down food, or it aids digestion in the body. So taking pawpaw, it helps to promote digestion and the bowel movement in the body. And it has a level of antioxidant. These antioxidants are some of the properties that it has, that it helps to relieve stress. When you undergo stress, when you are taking pawpaw, so it helps to lower the stress level. And there are other nutritional benefits that is associated with the pawpaw because of the presence of the fiber in it. This fiber, it helps to regulate the amount of the sugar level that is within the blood, and it also have effect in hypolipidemic effect, that is controlling the lipid level that is within the body. Apart from that, those people that are having obesity, it is important for them to use pawpaw fruit because the use of pawpaw fruit, it also helps in lowering what we call adipogenesis. This adipogenesis is a process whereby tissues that are responsible for making fat or fat promotion action within the body. So taking pawpaw will help to lower this process in the body. So apart from that, traditionally it has been used for a quite long time that the use of pawpaw part, apart from the fruit itself, it really helps in antimicrobial activities. That is fighting against some of the microbial pathogenic materials that we don't see them with our naked eyes. So it helps to relieve all these pathogenic materials or agents. It also have these properties, medicinal properties of anti-inflammatory power or ability to relieve all this inflammation within the body. Aside that, pawpaw is also important in what do you call this, in anti-cancer fight. It has ability to inhibit the growth of the tissue or tumor within the body. So these are some of the benefits that pawpaw can be used for, and thank you very much. The effect of taking pawpaw every day is normally the manifestation of the effect of the taking pawpaw is usually affecting people of this group, like pregnant women in the early pregnancy or trimester, first trimester. That's the first stage of the pregnancy. Because of the presence of the high amount of papain, there is an enzymes or chemical substances present in that particular pawpaw. So it has that possibility to terminate the early stage of the pregnancy. That's one of the effects of taking it, but this goes to the pregnant women. And also, aside that, that reminds me to talk about one of the nutritional benefits that I have not mentioned earlier on. Taking pawpaw in the late stage, that's the third trimester of the pregnancy, is very, very important because it helps to boost their strength, the women's strength, and to empower them when carrying out labor so as to have safe delivery. And also, it has the property of boosting the breast milk. So in addition with other milk producing ingredients, when you consume pawpaw, there is possibility for a lactating woman to have more breast milk, and this can go a long way in promoting the child health as well. So now, taking pawpaw, especially a ripe one, when it comes to the effect now I've come back to the effect of the pawpaw. The unripe one, because of the high level of the papain in it and the fiber in it, it has this effect within the throat. That's esophageal effect. It affects that. So taking it excess is not that good. And another important of the pawpaw that I've not mentioned also, it has this laxative property. That's for those that are having constipation or hemorrhage, pile. So people that are affected with these conditions, when they take pawpaw, there is possibility of reducing the risk of this disease condition in them, and it helps to facilitate or to promote passing out of the bulk stool because of the laxative properties that have come out from the papain latex in it. Actually, the use of pawpaw, it helps to it has an exfoliating property, that's ability to make skin glow. This goes this way: if you consume the pawpaw because of the ingredient or the that property of vitamin A and vitamin E, it helps to boost the skin lightening. That is one. And also that's taking it inside, consuming it. Then also it can be used as part of the ingredient in the manufacture of soap. So you can use it externally, that's through the exodermal layer, that's the epidermal layer, external layer. So using it as part of the ingredient to make soap, whether local soap or industrial soap, it helps. It has that properties of lightening. The people that are not advisable or recommended, I've mentioned it earlier on, are pregnant women, because of it can easily terminate the pregnancy. So that is why at the early stage of the pregnancy, the first trimester is not encouraging or is not advisable. So pregnant women are at the risk of having terminated pregnancy because of that property in it of the papain. It easily induces the labor. So meaning that it's at the third trimester, the last trimester stage of the pregnancy, that is advisable for the pregnant women to take that. And after delivery, because of it can enhance and boost the mammary gland to produce the breast milk, which in turn can be useful in the infant or neonatal or children, and that can go a long way. So in addition to the use of the pawpaw, direct pawpaw, it can be used in addition to other fruit of your interest, to make either smoothie or to make juice with it, or to take it as just the way it is when you cut it that way, or to make any other form of interested aspect of your choice. For diabetic patients are encouraged to take pawpaw simply because of the presence of the fiber. It is rich in fiber, and that fiber helps to slow digestion. That is why it is good for the diabetic to use it. And the sugar level in the pawpaw is low. Research has proven that the content of the sugar, which is what makes the condition of the diabetic to be very critical, and it has been found in the pawpaw that the sugar level is low, so it is recommended to make use of the pawpaw. So it helps to control the blood glucose level due to the fiber present. Actually, as a fruit concern, the pawpaw, you can take it at any time of your leisure simply because of its aid digestion. You can even inculcate it in your breakfast, or you can take it into your dinner. Is as far as it's part of the fruit that we know, and fruit is part of the requirement needed by the body.